Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Comcast email login problem. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.comcast.net. So in order to fix your problem, first of all, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. If your internet is not the problem, then type in your email or mobile or username that you had used while creating an account. And again, if you're not able to log in, then check your email that you had entered. But if it still doesn't help, then try refreshing cookies and cache from the web browser that you're using currently. In order to do that, you'll have to click on three vertical dots in the top right corner. Then go to Settings. Click on Privacy and Security option. Then click on Clear Browsing Data. Here you can see that the options have already been selected. If you click on Last 24 hours option, you'll be able to manage the time from which you want to delete the data. Here I'm going to select last hour. Now click on the Clear Data button. And if you're sure, click on the Clear option. Once you do that, try again and log in. And that is how you can fix Comcast email login problem. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.